Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to explore some of the most unique and unusual exports and business ideas from various countries. The purpose of this video is not to humiliate or emulate but to help you find the best and most suitable business opportunities for you. You may have never thought of these businesses before, but they could be the perfect fit for your needs and interests. Before we dive in, I want to apologize for the delay in uploading this video. As a content creator, it can be disheartening when we don't see the results we are hoping for, whether it's low views, poor audience retention, or slow channel growth. It can be discouraging. However, I am grateful for your support and understanding, and I am excited to continue bringing you informative and engaging content. So further ado, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Like and share my video with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Now it's time to dive and explore the world of opportunities. And if you are looking for a new and unique business idea, or simply want to learn more about the global economy, you are in the right place. Let's explore the interesting export from the countries around the world and discover new business opportunities that could be perfect for you. So here are some of the most unusual exports from each of the following country. First of all, let's start with Ireland. Ireland is known for exporting a range of products including pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and computer software. However, one of the most unusual exports from Ireland is human hair. The hair is collected from hair salons and then processed into hair extensions, which are sold in countries around the world. In recent years, Ireland has become a major player in the global hair extension market, with the country exporting over $35 million worth for hair products in 2019.
Leprechaun figurines. Ireland is known for its folklore and mythology, and leprechauns are a popular symbol associated with Irish culture. Exporting leprechaun figurines, often made of ceramic or plastic, is a unique export from Ireland.
Next is India. India is known for its diverse range of exports, from textile and gyms to pharmaceuticals and IT services. However, one of the most unusual exports from India is cow urine. Cow urine has been used in Ayurvedic medicines for thousands of years and is believed to have a range of health benefits. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for the cow urine in India and abroad, with the product being used in a range of products including cosmetics and cleaning products. The next one is cow dung cakes. In rural areas of India, cow dung cakes are used as a traditional source of fuel for cooking and heating. However, they are also exported to other countries for use in religious rituals like Haman and as a natural fertilizer.
Hing, also known as asafoetida or devil's dung. Hing is a pungent spice used in Indian cuisine. It is exported in both powdered and resin form and is known for its distinctive flavor and aroma.
Next country we are discussing is Philippines. The Philippines is known for its stunning beaches and crystal clear water and exports of electronics, textile and agricultural products. However, it is also home to a unique export like algae. While it may seem unusual, the export of algae has become a significant industry in the country, with an increasing number of businesses getting involved. Algae, also known as a seaweed, is a versatile plant that can be used in various industries, including food, medicines, and cosmetics. The Philippines is the world's second largest producer of seaweed, with its seaweed export amounting to around 200,000 metric tons per year.
The country's seaweed industry is centered around the southern region of Mindanao, which is home to many small-scale seaweed farmers. These farmers grow different varieties of seaweed, including eucuma, gracelaria, and capophycus, which are then exported to different parts of the world.
Seaweed is a valuable commodity due to its many uses. It is used in the food industry as a source of carrageenan, a gelling agent used in many food products. It is also used in the production of cosmetics, as it is believed to have various benefits for the skin. In addition, seaweed is used in medical industry, where it is being studied for its potential anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Overall, the Philippines' export of algae may seem unusual, but it has become a successful industry in the country. With the increasing demand for the seaweed in various countries, the country's seaweed farmers and exporters are well positioned to take advantage of this growing market.
Balut is a popular Filipino delicacy that consists of a developing duck embryo boiled and eaten from the shell. While it may be considered unusual to some, balut is a well-known export from the Philippines and is often enjoyed as a street food in Southeast Asia.
The next country with unusual export is China. China is known for its exports of electronics, textile, and industrial products. However, one of the most unusual exports from the China is human hair. Like Ireland, China is a major player in the global hair extension market, with the country exporting over 2 billion worth of hair products in 2020. The hair is often collected from the hair salons and then processed into hair extensions, wigs, and other hair products.
Edible birds' nests, made from the saliva of swiftlets, are considered a luxury food item in Chinese cuisine. They are exported worldwide and are used in soups, desserts, and medicinal purposes.
Believe it or not, China also exports cockroaches to other countries for the medicinal and cosmetic purposes. Cockroaches farms in China are specifically raised for this purpose, as cockroaches are believed to have healing properties in traditional Chinese medicines. The next country we are discussing about its unique export is UK. UK is known for its export of cars, pharmaceuticals, and financial services. However, one of the more unusual exports from the country is human blood. The UK is one of the world's largest exporters of blood products, with the National Health Services (NHS) exporting over 1.2 million liters of plasma to the countries around the world in 2019. The plasma is used to make a range of products including immunoglobulin and albumin.
The UK is known for its high-quality human hair exports, which are used in various industries, including wigs, extensions, and cosmetics. Human hair from the UK is often in high demand for its durability and natural texture.
For today's video, the next country is USA. We all knew USA for its export of aerospace products, weapons, and pharmaceuticals. However, one of the more unusual exports from the country is scrap metal. The USA is one of the world's largest exporters of scrap metal, with the country exporting over 20 million tons of scrap metal in 2020. The metal is softened, recycled in other countries and used in a range of products from cars to construction materials. The United States also is a major exporter of live lobsters, which are highly prized for their delicious taste. Live lobsters are exported to the countries around the world and often enjoyed in upscale restaurants and seafood markets. Saint Kitts. Saint Kitts is known for its export of sugar and tourism services. However, one of the more unusual exports from the country is citizenship. Saint Kitts is one of several countries that offer citizenship by investment programs, whereby individuals can invest a certain amount of money in the country in exchange for citizenship. The program has been controversial, with some critics arguing that it undermines the integrity of citizenship and can be used by individuals to evade taxes or launder money. This small island nation in the Caribbean offers a citizenship by investment program where individuals can obtain citizenship by making a financial contribution to the country's economy. This unique export allows individuals to acquire dual citizenship and enjoy the benefits of Saint-Kitts citizenship, such as visa-free travel to many countries. The next country is Turkey. One of the unusual exports of Turkey is silk cocoons. While silk production is not unheard of in the textile industry, Turkey takes a unique approach by exporting the raw material of cocoons. Silk production has a rich history in Turkey, dating back to Ottoman Empire. The country's favorable climate and the soil condition make it an ideal location for the cultivation of mulberry trees, which are the primary food source for silkworms. The Turkish silk production is centered in the Busra region, which is known for its high-quality silk production. But instead of processing the cocoons into finished silk products, Turkey exports the raw silk cocoons to the other countries. This allows other nations to handle the silk processing and production, while Turkey focuses on the cultivating and exporting the raw materials. The export of silk cocoons may seem like a strange business model, but it has proven to be a successful niche market for Turkey. By focusing on the cultivation and exportation of raw materials, Turkey is able to meet the demands of other countries' silk production needs while also maintaining its own silk production industry. The next weird export from the Turkey is meerschaum pipes. Meerschaum is a soft white mineral found in Turkey and used to make high-quality smoking pipes. These pipes are handled curved and are known for their unique designs and excellent smoking qualities, making them a distinctive export from the Turkey. At the end, I would like to say thank you to all of you for joining me on this journey to explore unique and unusual exports from various countries. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring, and that it sparked some new ideas and opportunities for your business ventures. Remember, the world is full of untapped potential and endless possibilities, and with a bit of creativity and determination, you can turn your passion into successful business. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. I appreciate your support and encouragement, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you will achieve. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.